Hello, this is Mike's Wood Shack today. Today we're custom cutting a beam in my sawmill that I haven't used a lot lately. We're custom cutting it for a fellow named Todd. He wants to make some sills for a wagon. These are two sills. It's going to be a water wagon. They're supposed to be 12 by 6. And we're starting out with a beam that he brought us a log. We've got it all sawed down almost square. We're just going to finish off squaring it. And we're going to cut it down. It's right now 18 by 16 inches. We're going to square it down, and so we get a nice inside wood 12 by 6 inch two beams for the sills on this water wagon. My sawmill is a Mennonite built one. It's got about a 30 horsepower Kubota engine up on it there. You maybe have a C there. That's the Kubota engine. Works excellent. It's got a blade's about 34 inches long too, and it's longer than 34. The width between here and here is 34. That's the debarker. That unit debarks the log where you don't need it this saw when we go through on this demo, but that debarks the log. There's the blade, and over here is the sawdust. The sawdust gets blown into this pail, right? There's a clutch, and the belts to run the unit are right here. It's a diesel unit, runs on diesel, and it works excellent. I haven't done a lot of sawing lately because I've been so busy making wood, but the sawmill works really good. So today, the blade's under pressure there, about 2,100 pounds, and another look at that Kubota engine. Okay, so now Kyle is going to do, he's my buddy, he's going to come over here and we're going to try to make a cut, and I'm going to follow through. It's fairly noisy, but if you watch you can maybe just see. I'll try to talk your way through it, but he's going to start that saw right now. That was an excellent cut. Kyle's now going to move this board just to show you what it looks like. And then Kyle's going to move the board. Yeah, there you can see what we cut. A nice 1.5-inch board. The sawmill's just slowing down, stopping now. We'll move this one aside, and then you can